The clock is ticking for the launch of the iPhone SE 3. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Apple is ready to launch its budget series iPhone SE 2022 and we may see some missing features in the iPhone SE 3. Apple's spring event is going to happen tomorrow 10 AM Pacific time and Apple is ready to launch 3 devices: iPad Air A15 Bionic chip, MacBook Pro M2 and iPhone SE 3. Almost every leak of this device is out where we see some configuration changes compared to its predecessor iPhone SE 2. iPhone SE 3 will have 3 models: 64 gigs, 128 gigs and 256 gigs models. And there are chances that we may see 2 models, one with 3 gigs of RAM and one with 4 gigs of RAM. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you going to get this Pocket Beast? Apple is justifying the price for this Pocket Beast where we see $300 for the iPhone SE 3. Rumors are suggesting that we may not see MagSafe on the iPhone SE 3 where we get this feature for the first time in iPhone 12. Although if you're an older Apple user or you are upgrading for the iPhone SE 2, then it won't be a problem for you. But a good news that your SE 3 will support a wireless charging just like the iPhone SE 2. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, we may see mass production of this device on 22nd of March 2022 and Apple is planning to ship around 25 million to 30 million units in 2022. Let's see if Apple achieve this or not. The best and the only feature that you should be looking for is its processor, because the rest of the phone is just like the iPhone SE 2. A15 Bionic chip is what makes this phone special and also the price of this device. iPhone SE 3 comes with one lens on the back which is powering 12 megapixel camera and 7 megapixel selfie camera. A leak came out where we see 2821 mAh battery in the iPhone SE 3, but it'll be difficult for Apple to put that battery in just a small iPhone SE 3 because the last time it was just 1821 mAh. The only downside for this device for most of the people is 4.7 inches big bezel display. Because in today's world, almost every budget phone comes with small bezels and even with notch display. Let's see how well this phone performs in the market. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you going to get this Pocket Beast? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.